Hey guys, I'm here at Target right now, seeing if they picked up any new ones. Got some 5-packs here. They got a little dump bin right there. They got some more of these throwbacks, but I don't see any more Challengers. That'd be the only one I would get if they had a Challenger here, but I don't see it. So let's go through these. Let's see what they got here. Check these ones out. Mazda RX-7. A few new ones here that I haven't seen, but pretty much the same ones, I think. 95 Porsche. Oh, check this one out. 72 Ford Ranchero. That is nice. Love that green color. Oh man, I'm getting that one. So far, I'm getting that one. Here's a Bot Wheels. That's pretty neat. Pretty cool. There's a Skyboat. 2019. Here's a different looking one. Deidre 3. I see more like it, but not that color. It's a gold color. Pretty cool. There's a Kit Kart. Here's a Rig Heat. First time I've seen that one. Oh, look at this one. This is the one I got a few weeks ago. 68 Mercury Cougar. The flames. I love that. That was so nice. I will be getting that one too. So far I got 2 of them. Ford Focus RS. Seen these, but not in this color. Really nice. Check out this Mazda RX-7. Nice color. Seen some like it, but different color. It's a really nice color. Here's another 67 Chevelle SS 396. I got one of these about a little over a month ago at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Cool. I haven't seen one since till right now. That's the other one. There's another one I'm getting right there. Here's a Sandoval fantasy car. First time I've seen that one. Here's a HW Pursuit police car. That's pretty cool. Interesting. 88 Honda CRX. Pretty nice. Really nice. I might get that one maybe. I think I will. Custom Volkswagen Beetle. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty neat one. Tricara truck. Another one. 66 Chevy Nova. Look at that flame on. I'm getting that one for sure. Another nice one. As you can tell, I'm into the older muscle cars. Really nice. That's another one I'm getting right there. They got another one here, guys. 67 Chevelle SS 396. Yeah, having 2 of them is better than 1. Now I got 3 of them actually, counting the one I got at O'Reilly's. Wow. 68 Copo Camaro. Hoo hoo hoo. Look at that, guys. That is really nice. Wow, that's nice. I mean, I didn't find any treasure hunts or nothing, but man, I found some cool muscle cars. Yeah, I'm gonna get that one. Look at this 1978 Dodge Little Express truck. That's really nice. I might get that one too. How many do I got here? There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 8 of them. Got 8 of them here. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm outside now. I bought eight total of 8 Hot Wheels today. A lot of them are mainly muscle cars. I kind of showed you a little bit when I was in the store, so a couple bags of them. So maybe I'll show them to you a little closer when I get home, but you kind of see them in there when I was making the video. But hey, thanks a lot for watching and subscribing, and we will see you on the next video. Happy hunting.